Are you looking for a highly equipped, compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2017 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Colorado Red. With halogen headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 18-inch gloss black wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, passive entry remote start package, premium door trim panel, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, 5-inch touchscreen display, SiriusXM satellite radio, electronic stability control, hill start assist, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 2687A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.